Yeah, so start at the top. ODI stay strong. ODI bar ends. Comfy script round obviously. I've got BSD wires in chrome, 28 wide, assumption high. Got a United Valentino stem with source DMX. Yeah, pretty good. Frame is Mutiny Conjourner, 20.8. Spot on there, about that. Fork OCR 32s, lifetime guarantee, strongest around. Front wheel is a salt hubless to salt rim, yeah, pretty solid. Best though. And a coat Diat tyre, tan wall, 2.25. Same with the back, salt hub to salt rim, and coat Diat tyre, 2.25. Salt chain, never broke. Salt sprocket, profile racing cranks, the best, and some clamp pedals. And with the people seat post to a shadow seat, yeah. BSD headset in chrome and BSD bottom bracket.